I'm Alan, your product manager for the Big Kaiser products. Today I would like our EVN fine boring head to explain how he can guarantee precision borings for a lifetime. EWN, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Hello everyone. How can I guarantee precise bores over a long period of time? Well, the details are a professional secret, but I can let you in on a couple of points. The locking system of my vernier is indirect, so when you close or open the vernier to make a size adjustment, the position is not affected. This is very important to ensure repeatability. Want to hear another secret? Follow me to the next post and I'll tell you. Would you like to see for yourself what else I am capable of? Call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned. See you soon.
Thank you, EWN. Well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact us anytime.